Welcome back to Fort St. John Public Library's Think Inside the Box Week. Today's challenge is a Constellation Light Box. Let's get started. First, we will need to make some room to craft. We'll be painting, which can get messy, so put down some craft paper or newspaper, which you can tape down so it doesn't move around too much. Let's see what we'll be using to make today's challenge. First, our box. A cereal box would be perfect, or something in a similar size and shape that is thin so we can poke holes into it. We'll also need a paintbrush to paint our box. We'll need some paint too, blue or black, to paint the night sky. We'll also need a wooden stick or pen to poke holes in our box for the light to shine through. And some chalk or white pencil crayon or marker to draw our constellation. We'll also need a string of lights to shine as our stars, and a plate or a small cup if you want to mix paint colors together. Now let's get stargazing. First, carefully take apart your box. Don't rip off the flaps, as we'll be putting it back together again later. Lay your box down and flatten it inside out. This is the side we'll be painting. If you're running out of paint, then just color half the box. Our constellation will only be seen on one side. When we're all done painting our night sky, we need to give it some time to dry. Putting it out in the sun or using a hairdryer speeds things up. While we're waiting, let's pick out our favorite constellation. There are a lot to choose from. Use a star constellation map in your kit, or print a picture from the internet, or copy one from a book. There are 88 named constellations, and they're usually named by the shape they take. For example, mythological creatures, animals, people, and objects. I chose the zodiac constellation Pisces. The zodiac is made up of 12 constellations that lie along the annual path of the sun across the sky. And I also printed out a bigger picture to help me see it a little bit better. Don't forget to stop by the library. We have lots of great books to help you pick your constellation and to learn more about astronomy and the night sky. Now that your box is dried, it's time to start drawing out your constellation. You will need your chalk or white crayon and marker to draw each star and connect them to form your constellation. When we're all done marking our constellation, don't forget to draw in some more stars around it to make our night sky even brighter. Now, the next part is a bit tricky, so you might need an adult to help. We need to poke a hole in each of our stars so that they can shine. We can use a blunt wooden stick, a pen, or whatever can help us poke through the cardboard. Next, tape your string of lights on the inside of the box. Then glue or tape it shut. Don't forget to leave the light switch out before you seal the box. And that's our Constellation Light Box built. The last step is to turn off the lights, turn on your constellation box, and enjoy seeing your favorite stars anytime.